Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family. Today we are going to discuss on your writing portion, that is letter writing. Yes students, now firstly, what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. When a person writes a letter and he posted it, then other person receive that letter. In this way, letter is a communication in written form. Types of letters now. There are two types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter. In formal letters, we can write a letter in a business or a professional purpose, and in it your language must remain simple. And in formal letter, we can write letter to government officials or for business purposes. And second one is informal letter. In informal letter, we write letter for personal communication. In it, our tone, means our way of writing, will remain casual or emotional, and this letter you write to our friends, to our family, to our relatives. In this way we write both the letters, formal and informal letters. Now students, format of the letter. Format of formal letter. Firstly, there is sender's address, means name and address, sender detail, and it will remain the left side of your page. And after that you will leave a one line space there and then write date. Date, you can write date. Most used way of writing date is that 26th. We assume that the date is 26th January 2020, then we will mention date right in that way. As today is the date, what's the date today? 20th July, then we mention 20th July 2020. And then after that leave one line space and mention receiver details, means to which person we are going to write that letter. Assume we are going to write that letter to an editor, then we mention the editor. And if we are going to letter any chairperson, then we write the chairperson. And then salutation. Salutation, in salutation you will write dear sir, dear madam. And after that is the subject. Subject is also the important part of the letter, because when the person watch that subject, then he or she can easily understand what the letter is about. Then your subject must be concise. And then body. Body of the letter is the actual message. Which do you want to? There will remain three parts. Mainly the introduction, means the purpose of the letter, for which purpose you are going to write a letter. Main content, all detailed information, and the summary, means for which purpose you are writing the letter. The conclusion. Here is the complimentary clause, means you will mention there yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and at last eighth point is there, name and sign. You will mention designation and your signature also be there. In this way this will remain the format of a formal. Yes students, now you can see here again that in this way you can frame a format of a letter. Firstly, sender's address, then leave a one line space there, then mention date, then leave one line space there. Then if you are going to write a letter to editor, then the editor, then leave one line space, then salutation, then again leave one line space, then subject, then your body is part is there, then leave one line space, then thank you, and then yours truly. At last, that is complimentary close. Now I am also again telling you for making your concept clear. Address, mention date, then to the editor. Address again means the Times of India, New Delhi. Then subject, You mostly will start your subject for regarding ban the loudspeaker. Then respected sir, there is no requirement of placing comma here because we are using British English. Then in British English we didn't mention that comma, and in American English comma is required. Then we would not follow this pattern. Only comma is extra here, you will leave that comma. And you can even learn that lines, it will remain easy for you. I would like to draw your attention then towards this problem, which type of problem you are going to mention. Then at last I shall be thankful to you, yours sincerely, and then your name. Same in the way in formal letter you will mention address, date, then dear father, dear brother. If your friend name is there, then you mention his or her name. Then you can start like that. I am fine here and I hope you also be fine there. What's going on? If you want to invite on some occasion, on birthday occasion or summer vacations, or you want to even congratulate him on his or her success, then you can mention here. Then convey my regards to all family members. Then your loving son, your loving friend. In this way you can complete this letter. Now I am showing you some also letters. Even you want to take the screenshot of these letters, then you can take that. This will remain benefited for you. As you can see that one is there, write a letter to your brother marriage party to invite your friend. Firstly address is there, then date, dear friend, I am fine here, I hope that you will be fine, cheerful there. Now come on the point. It is with great pleasure I inform you that my brother is going to marry. Then in this way you can frame a informal letter. Same I am mentioning you here, if you are going to invite your friend on summer vacation, you can take screenshots of these letters. And then if you are going to, yes students, and this is regarding frequent breakdown in electric supply. In this way you can also take an screenshot of this picture. And this another one is regarding ban on the use of loudspeaker. And then one regarding lack of facilities and malfunctioning of government hospitals. These are some samples for you for making your concept more clear. You can take help from these samples. Now at last I want to also tell you that how to write a letter to the principal, as this is your question first that you will write today, and send me the copy of that question into my personal number. If you are going to write a letter to the principal of your school requesting her to arrange special coaching classes for some games during summer vacation, what would you do? Then you mention the principal. There is no requirement of placing any comma here. As I have mentioned earlier that this is the American way of writing. We are following British way of writing. Then mention here your school name, as your name is Ved Model Senior Secondary School, Kalanor. Then you will leave one line there, mention date. What's the date today? Today is 20 July 2020. Then dear ma'am or respected ma'am. Then subject, your subject be there. Then you will mention body of the letter. And then at last, I sincerely hope you will consider my request. Then leave one line space, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, your name is there. In this way you will write a letter to the principal. Yes students, I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Now all of you will write the letter and send the pic to my personal number. Thank you and have a nice day.